This 2027 Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition 343 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new venture is 37 feet 5 inches in length and features a chestnut interior, sleeps 11, water heater, refrigerator, self-contained, slide-out, external shower, microwave, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Venture Sporttrek Touring Edition 343 VBH is 9,410 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.